Hi everyone, welcome to the Kashyap Take. My name is Sachin Kashyap, and this is the second part of the interview questions and answers. So this will contain the some of the interview question, which is basically asked in interview. So let's start with this video. The first question is about to how many containers are available in SSIS. So basically, the containers there is a total three containers in SSIS, and one is the task host container. That is the total fourth of containers in SSIS. It's available. So let's start with the first one. That is the for loop container. Okay. So basically, whenever you open the SSIS projects, when you click on the control flow, then you will get this uh, to this three container in a control flow item, okay, in a toolbox. So about the first one, we can discuss about the for each loop container. The for each loop, you can use an SSIS for each loop container to define a control flow task to loop through different types of enumerators such as files and a specified folder. Yep. So basically, if you can see in a SSIS Visual Studio, you will get in a if you click on the control flow, then you will get uh, the container in the container tab, okay, in a toolbox. So yeah, so let's the second one is a uh, like a the for loop container is used when you need to iterate a fixed number of times or based on a specific condition. It uses a variable to control the loop iteration. You define the initial value, the evaluation expression, and the increment and decrement logic in a for loop container. The third one is a sequence container. In a sequence container, define a control flow that is a subset of the package control flow. Sequence container group the package into multiple separate control flow, each containing one or more task and container that run within the overall package control flow. Basically, if you, whenever you use the container sequence container, like I'm using, you can put all these whatever you have a like a task, like suppose I am doing the script task, okay, and Hadoop pig, okay, and Hadoop. So this can be included in the container, and we can map one by one by precedence. And in the sequence container, like basically it used for like executing the all the tasks one by one, step by step. Like first will get executed, then second one will get executed, and then Hadoop will be get executed in a sequence container, okay. And then last one is the task host container. The task host container is the default container under which single task file, and is used only behind this scenes for SSIS. You won't notice the type of container. You will notice that this type of container is not in the toolbox in Visual Studio, and is implicitly assigned to each task, okay. That's it about this first question. And let's go for the second question. The second question is, what is the extension of deployment utility in SSIS? Okay, so if you wanted to check the extension of deployment utility, then you can go to the just go to the property of the project and go to the deployment utility tab. Set the create deployment utility as a true and specify the deployment path. As soon as you build your project, deployment utility is created in the specified folder or a path, okay. The file type of deployment utility is integration service deployment manifest. You can see the in a screenshot. When you go to the property, you will find the extension of that particular project, that is the SSIS deployment manifest, okay. And this can be used for the deployment. Like you can use this to the put on the other server whenever wherever you wanted to deploy. Just click on the double click and deploy that package, okay. The extension of the deployment package is like SSIS deployment main phase, okay. That's it about this question. Let's move to the next question. That is third one. What are the important component of SSI data flow? So basically there is a lots of components, but this one is a highly used component which are basically we used in a like a daily basis. Like the first one is a uh, s- like a data conversion transformation. Basically data conversion, it means like if you want to the convert the data types of the any uh, columns, like if you are transferring the data from the source to destination, and if the column data type is different from the source and destination, then you, in that case, we are using the data conversion transformation. The second one is a conditional split transformation. So conditional, you can see here a conditional split, which can be used in a like a data flow. The condition split basically split the data in a multiple source, like a multiple way. Like suppose if you are putting the data, fetching data, and if you wanted to split the data on the basis of some condition, then you can apply that condition in a condition split, and this will be go to the in a different source. Okay. Then derived column transformation. The derived column transformation basically transformation create a new column value by applying the expression to the transformation input column. An expression can contain any combination of variable, function, operator, and column from the transformation input. So basically in a derived column, if you wanted to the new column, like you wanted the one more column which contain the data of first column and second column, like you are joining the both the column and getting the one new value which contain in a third column. Okay, that is called the derived column transformation. And lookup transformation. So basically lookup transformation in SSIS is a powerful and useful SSIS transformation to compare the source and destination data. It filter out the match and unmatched data. Basically lookup you can use for the like fetching the data from the source to destination, basic like a latest data. If you wanted to the latest data from the source and uh, transfer the data into destination, then in that case we can use the lookup. It will match the data, both the data like source and destination. Accordingly they will pull the data from the source. Then last one is the script component transformation. The script component read input value for the data flow and generate output. Okay, so that's it about this third question. Let's move to the next one. What are the cache mode in lookup component in SSI? So basically there is a three types of cache, like a full cache, partially cache, and no cache. So full cache, it means option tell SSIS to consume all your reference data into memory and then perform its lookup on that data. This has the benefit of only hitting the database once to fetch the data, but can cause the delay on a package startup, as all the lookup data will have to be loaded period to the executing the package. So basically, if you select the full cache, then it will load the all the data from the reference data to memory. Then after that it will get loaded. Lookup value will still be cached, but only as a each distinct value is incurred in the data flow. Initially each distinct value will be retrieved individually from the specified source and then cache. Then last one is a no cache. As you might guess, selecting no cache mode will not add any value to the lookup cache in SSI. As a result, every single row in a pipeline data set will require a query against the lookup source. Yep, that's it about the fourth question, and let's move the to the next question. That is, how do you deploy SSIS package? So basically there is a multiple way to deploy the package. Okay, so first one is you can deploy the package from the Visual Studio directly from the right clicking on the deploy, and other one you can take the package like SSIS package XSF file and put the on the server anywhere, and go to the SSMS, right click on the in an integration service catalog SSIS DB. In a project you can deploy. By deploying you will get the new window in which it will ask for the path and everything and follow the same steps. Then it will get loaded into the SSMS. After that you can create the SQL job and uh, pull and select the and create the steps where it will get it will execute that SSIS package which you have deployed in a SSMS. Yep, that's it about the video. Please let me know if is there anything anything need to be changed. Please give me your feedback about this video, and thank you so much.